In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI-powered appointment booking system using one unique software. I'll use a dental clinic as an example. I'm going to show you how you can automate appointment scheduling, save time and money, and then see how it works across multiple channels simultaneously. So whether you're an agency looking to sell this type of services, or in this case, a dental clinic who want to streamline their operations, this system will save you time and boost your revenue. So this is the software I'm going to use. You can find the 14-day free trial linked in the description below. The cool thing about this software is that it's a white label service. So that means you can actually brand it with your own logo and sell it as if it was your own software. So when you show it to clients during sales calls, they will even be more impressed. So let me show you how you can create this AI agent. So you come here on the left, you click on AI agents, and this is gonna show up. You're gonna have getting started, voice AI, conversation AI, knowledge-based AI, content AI. So what we need for the appointment booking agent, we'll go to conversation AI. Over here, we are going to be able to create our AI agent, right? So I've already created the agents, but I'm going to show you how you can create it. So you click on create bot, and it gives you two options, whether to create a general Q&A or an appointment booking agent. I will advise you to go with general Q&A because we want our agents to be able to interact in a humanly form with the leads. So we will go with the general Q&A option. You will hit continue, and once you hit continue, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the settings where you can name your agent. You'll see the bot status. You always need to make sure it's on autopilot. The various communication channels, we're gonna select them all. If you don't want your bot to be active on a specific channel, you can simply unselect it like this. And then we'll have the wait time before responding. I said 3 seconds, and then we have the maximum messages a bot can send. This is by default, so you can really change it. So after you've done that, you click on save, and then you go to bot training. So this is the most important part. What is the knowledge base? It's simply where we train our AI agents on all information it has to know. So we will go ahead and create new. I've already created it, but I'm gonna show you how to create it. So you can name it dental clinic knowledge, and then you create it. Once you've created it, you'll have this three options: web crawler, FAQs, and tables. Web crawler is very simple. You just click on add source, and then you can paste the link of your client's website, and it automatically going to extract the data it needs to feed the AI agent. But I will advise you to do in another way. So I will advise you to copy the link of your client and then go on ChatGPT. For example, in this case, I use this website, Dr. Z Smiles. I pasted the link and asked, can you rewrite and simplify FAQ content for clarity and convert it into conversational answers? And this is exactly what ChatGPT is going to do. You copy the questions, you go on the FAQ session, then add source FAQ, and then you paste the question here, and then the answers here, and then you save it. I will advise you to put a minimum of 10 questions so the agents get fed better information, but if you can put more, the better. And once you've done that, go back, then you select bot goals. You can see what the bot is going to ask the lead. So for example, they're going to ask for the name, the email, the phone number. And I will advise you not to touch this type of stuff because it works perfectly. Then you will enable the option for the agent to book appointments. You will select the calendar where they will take the availability from. In this case, I've created the calendar, called it dentist appointment bookings, and you select that calendar. In order to create a calendar, you simply go back and go to settings, calendar, and then you create a new calendar. It's very simple. So after I set the calendar, I'm going to create a workflow that's going to be triggered as soon as someone books an appointment. I've already created it and I've pasted here, but I'm going to show you how you can create this workflow. We go back, we go on automation, and then here you can see workflow list. here is where you can create your workflow. So you can create a workflow, you can start from scratch or select from a template. Let me show you what I created. So I called it Dental Clinic New Bookings. So this workflow is triggered when someone books an appointment. So what happens? I added a tag. This is for internal use only. So when someone books an appointment for staff internal use, they're going to see appointment booked or a lead. The lead is going to receive either an SMS or an email. So let me actually show you what I created, right? So go here on SMS. You can see the message on the SMS. Hey, thank you for booking with us. You can actually put other stuff like the date, reminding the date and stuff like that. But let me show you how you can create it. So as soon as you choose the trigger, you can click on this plus sign. And then, for example, you want to send an SMS. You just type SMS, send SMS. And then you type the message you want to send. So, hey, thank you. Your appointment is blah blah blah, and then you click on save action, and then you have your action triggered by the appointment booking. One of the most important things is to add this lead into our pipeline status. So you click on the plus sign, you go on opportunities, and then you click on create update opportunity. You have to select the pipeline. I'm going to show you also how to create the pipeline. In this case, I've already created it, and then I select the pipeline I want to update the status in. And in the pipeline stage, I'm going to select appointment book, and then I save the action. This is exactly what I did over here. So once someone books an appointment, it's going to show in our pipeline as appointment booked. After that, I've set a reminder 1 hour before the appointment. The lead is going to receive this SMS telling them, hey, you have this appointment in 1 hour and blah blah blah, so on. You can actually choose whether to send 1 day before, 1 hour before, 2-3 hours before. That's on you. So once someone books a call, it's going to trigger all these actions over here. So once you're done, you just click on publish, and then you click on save. As simple as that. Let me show you how to create a pipeline. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna go to opportunities, and then we're gonna select pipelines. Over here, as you can see, the pipeline I've created, but you can simply go to create new pipeline, name the pipeline dental clinic pipeline, and then you can add the various stages. So appointment booked, go to add stage, and then appointment show at appointment. Then you can add on a treatment and stuff like that, right? Then you click on save, and then you have your pipeline. So then you go back to opportunities, and once someone books an appointment, it's going to show here automatically in our pipeline. So at this point, the AI agent is created. We've connected it to the knowledge base where it's going to take all the information from, and we've built the workflow, the pipeline. The only thing remaining is to actually test it out. So I'm going to show you how a user will interact with this AI agent and how the agent is going to interact with the user. So I've created this dental clinic demo page, and I'm going to send them a message, interact with them, try to see what service they offer, and try to book an appointment. So I'm going to go to message. I'm gonna write something along the lines of, hey, what service do you provide? I'm gonna hit send. So yeah, okay, so the chat, so the agent has replied. Yes, we offer free Invisalign consultations so you can see if it's right for you, blah blah blah. If you have any, yes, I will like to book an appointment. Yes, we offer free Invisalign consultations, so when you can see, blah, blah, blah. Let's proceed with your booking appointment. Could you please confirm your name is Paul Cyril? So it asked me if my name is Paul Cyril because I already done a test with it and I gave them my information. So the AI agents knows my information, and that's why it's asking me for to confirm my name. If I had a new Facebook account and I message it will ask me for my name, for my phone number, and for my email without asking me to confirm if white say my name. Hope that is clear. So I'm gonna type yes. So same thing here as for the Gmail, because I've already put that information. I'm gonna tap yes. Okay, could you please confirm your phone number is lastly failed? Okay, so these are all information I put previously. So I'm gonna in the test. So I'm gonna put yes. Okay, so now the agent says we have several available slots starting from today, July 24th, Thursday. Um, okay, so I would say I'm not available. I prefer Friday at 2 p.m. Something like that. Yeah. Now let's see what the agent is gonna say. Unfortunately, the 2 p.m. slot on Friday is not available. However, I can offer you the following slot. Okay, let me say 1:45 is perfect. So as you can see, there's a little bit of delay, but it's made on purpose to make the user think they're communicate with a human. So your appointment has been successfully booked for July 25th at 1:45 p.m. If you have any other questions or need further, feel free to ask. Okay. So as you can see, the bot works perfectly. It gave us an availability for the booking. We said we weren't available on that day and then gave us another option for another day. So let's see if this lead shows up in our pipeline. So as you can see, Paul Cyro, our test user lead, has been added successfully to our appointment book status. So everything works perfectly. The AI agent, the pipeline, the workflow we've set, everything works perfectly. This system can be connected to all communication channels, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, email, whatever you want, even a chat box on your website. And it's a really powerful tool. And the fact that you can actually brand it and sell it as your own software makes it even 10 times better and actually gives you more edge when you're about to sell it, because clients will always be impressed. You are solving a great problem that they have. You need to remember that you have to sell something that a business owner will see a tangible result and understand the potential. If they don't, they will never give you the money. So in this example, I built an appointment booking system for a dental clinic, but the same setup will work for all kind of service businesses. So from saloons to chiropractors, and you can imagine the potential that this system has. And it also saved 10 plus hours of admin work per week and save the business owners money. It's really a win-win situation. And if you're an agency, this is a great offer you can sell to any service business from anywhere between 500 to 1.5K a month, including the setup cost and monthly management fee. So if you're looking to start your agency, I will advise you to sell this type of services, like real systems that solves problems to businesses. We're no more in 2017 that you can't just sell Facebook ads or SEO. Back then, these services were the main attraction, right? So it was way easier to sell. Now you can't offer this type of services. You need to find a solution that solves a real tangible problem to business owners. And this is the perfect example. You actually save the business owners money, save them time, and you make money. If you want this exact system I've just built, you can find it for free in the link below. And if you're a service business and want us to build something like this for your own business, tailored, customized for your own needs, feel free to book a call with us and then we will see how we can work together. This is a great opportunity, guys. Agency owners, go out there and offer the service to businesses. They highly need it. Business owners, try to implement this system to simplify your life and save more money. Yeah, that's it. So guys, you'll find all the links below. Check them out. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and tell me what type of content you want to see going forward.